It's been 19 minutes already.
Water smooth is slightly choppy. Friday,
My
south
weather
winds 5
Discord
to
just
10
going all
knots.
crazy.
The water smooth. Friday night, south winds 5 to 10 knots. The water smooth. Saturday, south
I'm
winds
gonna
5
pause
to
this
10
until
knots.
the test
The water
happens.
smooth following. Coastal
I swear they're
waters
gonna
from
be like in a
High
panic
Island
or
to Freeport,
something and then
Texas,
like
about 20
tone it
nautical
twice.
miles.
That'd be funny.
Today.
Finally. Oh, my interconnection's going off. Nice. Ugh. Yeah. Oh. No! No! The 300 didn't go off! Of course it didn't.
Signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and 12 noon.
Yay!
Here is a threat.
That was kind of sad. I'm kidding. Yeah, my second.
Even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings from the following counties: Brazoria, Chambers.
That'd be freaking hilarious if they made it a doubleheader. Like, I would laugh so hard.
This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. The coastal waters
Okay.
forecast